Hello, and welcome to Computer Literacy. My name is Mary Winchester, and I'm one of the instructors who helped to create the Computer Literacy course. I've recorded many of the videos for the course, so you're going to be hearing my voice a lot. I'd like to explain the general course structure to you. Each instructor may make some modifications, but typically when you go to the home page, you'll see some sort of welcome screen, and you may see what work you have to do that week, or you may have a list of modules that links to all the different modules for the course. The course is set up in modules, and at any time you can click on the modules link on the left-hand side to go to the modules for the course. And again, each instructor has the freedom to do some modification, so it may look a little different than what you're seeing here. We do use videos extensively in this course. We have made sure that they are ADA compliant and are closed captioned. I'd like to show you how to use the two types of videos that are included in the course. So we're using Lindacalm. That has come as part of the course to you as it's a subscription service, but you don't have to pay separately for it or register for it. You're registered for it by being in the course. And to view the links, you would go to whatever link, and you'll notice that we have Windows version and Mac versions. Now, we are providing the links to the most current version for the Windows and for the Mac. If you're using older versions of the software, there are usually parallel courses. So if you have 2010, you can go back and look at the 2010 tutorials. Once you've logged into Linda, you can see all of them. So if you don't have the most current version, you're welcome to go back and look at other videos or anything else that interests you at lynda.com, because there's a wealth of resources there. But the ones that we link to are specifically required for the course. So for example, you're going to use the Getting to Know Computers. And for most of these assignments, these videos that you have to watch, you'll either have a quiz that you have to answer or study guide, or you may have an assignment to do from it. So I want to show you a few things to make this easier for you. Now for the quizzes or study guides, you are able to have lynda.com open while you're taking the study guide, and since you're typically only allowed to take it once, I do encourage you to do that. Let me show you how to make this course a little easier for you. You can play the video. I have the sound turned off so you can't hear it right now. You have options if you need to for closed captioning, and you'll see that each one also has a transcript. What I find most useful typically is to watch the video first, and then I frequently have the transcript open while I take the quiz or the study guide, because it lets me check to make sure I'm putting in the right thing. That will make it a little easier for you to complete the study guide. The other type of video that you're going to run into is one that I've personally created. So for example, you'll run into those in the operating systems section. Now for many of my videos, I've done operating systems for Windows and operating system for Mac. And I typically break the videos down to around 2 to 5 minutes in length so that you can complete a step and go on to the next one. You may not need to watch all of the videos. You may only need to watch certain steps that you don't already know. So for the operating systems project, I have both a Mac and a Windows version, and you'd pick the one for the computer that you're working on. At the moment, I'm working on a Mac. And you'll see that I have files that you can download, and to download these in most operating systems, you would right-click and choose Save Link As, and then you have my links to my YouTube videos. Now these have been closed captioned for you, and so when you hit play, you're not going to want to watch it in this small version here because it will be very hard to see what's going on. These were recorded in high definition, but YouTube does not automatically take you to the high definition version. So I recommend that you go to full screen, and you'll notice full screen is a little blurry. I can change the quality by going into settings, and instead of 360, I can take it to 720. And when I take it to 720, that takes it to high definition. In a couple seconds, you'll see there, it's gone clear. It's much easier to see now. The other thing you should know is that if you need them, or if you're working in the lab and don't have headphones, you can turn subtitles on. Closed caption by hitting CC. and that will bring up captioning that matches whatever is going on the desktop. I don't have full transcripts for these, but you do have the closed captioning in case you're in the lab or need to use it for any other reason. So by knowing how to use the videos from the class, it should help you more effectively complete your projects. And again, you may not need every single video. They're there if you need them, and they will walk you through completing many of the projects. These are supplemental instructions to things from Lynda.com in some cases. Sometimes they're just explaining how to do the project, not step by step, but just what I want to see so that you have a clear understanding of what I'm looking for. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor. We're here to help you.